y'all, it's your girl ChonitaNicole, and welcome to Do Dream On if you're new, and if you're already a dreamer, welcome back, y'all. Welcome back, y'all. Welcome back. Today we are inside of Creative Fabrica, and of course we are gonna get to that font maker. Y'all already know, but if you guys want to know about the deals and different things like this, you can pause this, read this, and if you're interested, use my affiliate link down in the description below so you guys can go ahead and jump on these deals. Okay, you guys know this is both commercial as well as personal and even POD, which is print on demand here at Creative Fabrica. We're still in February, so we're still in the 28 days of love for Creative Fabrica. All right. And yeah, so here are some really cool fonts. Let me save some of these fonts because these are really cute. Some really cool fonts. Oh, look at this Scrabble. They're getting ready for Easter. I use this for some of Madison's items, the nostalgic 90s, like a more Easter items. These are really cute. But anywho, you guys could take a look. Look at Disney and old maps. Okay, you guys can take a look at everything through the link below. They always have really cool designs, the bomb fonts. Like you already know, Creative Fabrica is thebomb.com. We love them over here. I am favoriting certain things that I see that I may use later because you just never know. Okay, so if you guys are new to Creative Fabrica, oh, look at this. I need to make one of these myself inside of Canva. Actually, I made a couple of those myself inside of Canva for my dad for Father's Day. So I already have those things. Literally last year I made them. But anywho, we are going to just take a look at some of these things later on. But if you're new to Creative Fabrica, this is a place that you can come. You can get fonts. Look at these fonts. You could get over 200,000 fonts. You could get over 10 million graphics. They have so many wonderful things. Look at my Creative Fabrica playlist where you can learn more about all the videos and how I use it all the time. They have freebies, all types of free fonts and SVGs for embroidery, free classes, free graphics. But then they also have things that you can purchase, okay? We're going to dive right into Studio. Now, I've been hearing about this, what is it called? Font Maker? I don't want to say the wrong thing, but I think it's the Font Maker. And I'm so excited to check this out because y'all know we love us some fonts, okay? So we are going to go inside of Studio. You can take a look at some of my other videos. I've used Studio multiple times before. I broke it down. I explained everything that Studio has. And I'm sorry, it's not the Font Maker. That's why I wanted to be sure. It's the Font Generator, okay? So we are going to go ahead and select Create a Design, or we could go to Start Designing. Either way, it'll get you here. So look at this. Well, the create a new design will take you further into it. But starting a design brings you to the home page, projects, shared templates, all tools, favorites, etc. It says, "Good evening, Shanita. What up, though?" Right? And then it's just giving you where you can search the templates. Look at there. There's the font generator. So I'm going to show you somewhere else you can find it. These are some previous things that I've done. See, that's even similar to what I was looking at before. They have some things that are popular. It was just Valentine's Day, so I'm sure that was really popular. If you remember the first time I was over here, it was not this many things, this many templates inside. So y'all see it's expanding. And yeah. So here's Font Generator, but you could also get, once you go into Create a Design, you can also go to Font Generator right at the top there, okay? So it's always multiple ways to do things. I'm going to go back to Start Designing, and I'm going to go to Font Generator where you can create your own fonts. I have not clicked on this before ever. So we are new. I waited so I could do this with you guys. Y'all know how I typically do. So let's learn about it. I see right now it's saying it's 49 people online. We have 5,000 like coins. And then it shows you that it says generating a font costs 1,000 coins. If you have an all access subscription, font generation does not cost you coins. If you choose to discard the font, you'll receive the coins back in your coin balance. You currently have 5,000 coins, which means you can generate 5 fonts. Or if you have an all access subscription, you can generate unlimited fonts. I thought I had all access, but we're going to have to check on that. I could have sworn I had all access. Anywho, what is this? Oh, okay, this is just dark or light. We're going to keep it light for right now. So 5,000, you get 5 fonts. It shows here, it says here, be as authentic as you possibly can. Create your own unique typeface, personally crafted for you. This tool is in an experimental phase. Results may vary. Please send feedback. Okay. I am so confused. I don't even know where to start. So yeah, let's see. I know for sure this will be great for crafters, designers, creatives, artists, small businesses, marketing agencies, etc. Yeah, I don't even absolutely. Oh, so okay, it's AI, I'm assuming, because it's saying optionally enter a font. Or can we just press fancy and press this? Let's try it. I don't know what I'm doing, y'all. Initialize and font AI generation engine, loading baseline, typographic data set, applying style matrix transformation. Okay, so I just put my decorative font, your generation, view below your generated font. If any glyphs seem out of place, select them and select regenerate. Your font will be updated. Please be advised that this may take some time. Okay. Oh, okay. They let you see what the background would be. Okay. This is just my own font. It shows you the size, how it looks if it's smaller, larger, and then the numbers. So it shows the numerics. And then this is a glyph grid. Characters in your font. We don't really have any glyphs. Okay, this is actually cute. It's cute. And if I wanted to, I could download and save it, but I would look at these letters and then we could put what we wanted to say. Welcome to Do Dream On. I am Chonita. So you can see how the fonts look based on, each font. Okay. That's cute. You could put however you want it to, and then you could test it on the colors. I think that's really cute. So you can see it on darker colors, lighter colors. All right. How do we do something else? I'm pressing a plus because I want to, and I think, okay, we could go back to our first fonts that we made. You press the plus and then I could do a prompt. Okay. I want a pretty girly. I had to leave out for a second and come back in. So I'm going to show you what happens if you do that. Okay, so I had to, when I came out of there, it erased it. So you want to be careful of that. I want, so I'm sorry. What I'm saying is if you leave out and come back, your prompt will be gone. Okay, I want a pretty girly font with glyphs. Okay, let's just see what that does. I want a pretty girly font. So let's see how that goes. It gives you the bar. Now it's 100% done. Absolutely not. This is not what I was looking for. This looks like, look, that C look like a G. Oh no, I do not like this. Some people might like it, but look, the C and the G look too much alike. I'm not feeling that at all. So let's try You could ask ChatGPT, you could ask Canva, you could try to ask them to get some fonts, but I'm not going through all that tonight. I'm literally just trying to play with it. But if you want to be very specific, you could always get prompts from AI to help you on other AI projects, okay? Make a girly, pretty font with hard edges. Let's just see what they make. Okay, this is actually kind of cute. I actually like this font. Okay. I like the numbers. Yeah, these look cute. Let's see. Make a thick font with crisp edges. So let's say I wanted a font for rhinestones or something. Then I would want them to be thicker and I would want crisp edges so that it could be easily transferred to rhinestones. What in the world? This is not thick. This is, it could be kind of cute, but that is not thick. Oh no, I cannot stand that F. Oh, I hate it. I don't like it. No, no, no. The capital letters look okay, but no. Artistic, create a thick font. I'm just put thick font for all of these and see what they create. It's cool though. I can say this is cool. I can say that I am excited about it, especially if you want something for your brand that is very unique and you will not have anyone else's font and you want to stand out. I think that that is really dope. Okay. That could be cute. I personally, I don't know, it looks a little bit off. I don't really like it. I really don't like those D's. Something about it I don't like, but I see what they were trying to do, like the bubble letters. I see what they were trying to do. The numbers look pretty okay. I like the 1, 2, and 3. But I see where they were trying to go with it. Some of these letters look cute. Then some of them I don't like. Okay? But all right, Creative Fabrica is getting very this is really good. This has some really great potential. I'm gonna do fancy creative thick font and see what it does. So this potential is really the bomb. Some of you guys may love these fonts, which is great. I like a couple of them. A couple of them I do not like some of the specific letters. But this looked like it would be good for Halloween. Where did they get? I didn't say wavy or nothing, but I for sure will utilize ChatGPT in helping me with the prompts of the font that I would like. I for sure would do that. That would be a something I definitely would do. Anywho, I just wanted to show you inside of Creative Fabrica Studio, this font generator. I think that this could be really dope. And okay, now this is cute. See, you got to keep playing with it because you might find something that you actually like. This is cute. I can dig this. Oh, that's such a cute little A and B and C. Okay, see, you got to just keep playing with stuff. You never know what might happen. The letters are cute. All right, okay. This is dope. Definitely can be a game changer in your business and your branding. And yeah, I really, really like it. So let me know what you guys think down below. And we possibly, because I didn't download any of them, so I still have 5,000. So we possibly may come back later on and check some of them out. Let's look at some of the fonts that we created. Some we didn't really like. This seems like Halloweenish too. Some that we didn't really like, but some that actually were kind of cute. This one, I like this one. I actually really like that one a lot. Not too much of a fan for that one. But yeah. So keep playing around with it. You never know what you might get. Use AI to help you. And like I said, leave the comments down below what you guys think about this font generator. I personally love it. I think it has great potential and it could be a game changer in your business. Let me know what you guys think. I love y'all. Did y'all know that? I think y'all knew that. Anywho, y'all be safe out there. You hear? Bye.